Hello, everyone. I hope that you guys all had a great weekend. I just want to first and foremost say that we are praying for those who have been affected by the hurricane. We are praying for you and your loved ones. I wanted to share this tutorial with you guys because I was inspired by my 19-year-old daughter, and she just recently moved out. And when you move out, there isn't much space that you have to yourself or personal items that you can really take as far as furniture and such. So I wanted to make her something that she could have on a wall, where she could have pictures and maybe some notes for cheer or whatever it is, and make it personal for her. So she was my inspiration. I love the Pottery Barn. I did look into the Pottery Barn pieces, and I was blown away by some of their pricing. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to create my own. Now after one, I created up to 6 now, and I just want to share this tutorial with you because it's so frugal, and I know a lot of people want to keep a great look but want to keep it under a budget. So this is really on a budget, and I hope that you take away from this project and really get to show off what you made. So let's get to it. And actually, let me just say thank you for all the new followers. Thank you guys for following me. It means a lot to me. I love creating, I love crafting, and this only confirms for me to continue to do this uploading of videos and such of my work. I did second guess a lot of it, and I just appreciate all the great feedback. So thank you so much. I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. This is part of creating. You kind of just go back and forth with ideas. I wasn't sure if I wanted a white erase board, or if I wanted a chalky background, or if I wanted a magnet background. And in the end, what works for Clarissa is to have some type of magnetic background, because I immediately thought of the magnetic containers that the Dollar Tree has. They're so awesome. They're these little circle magnet containers, and I thought she could really benefit from these. So in the center, I wrapped it with twine because there was going to be a gap in between. So I went ahead and added some twine at the center. And I picked up this pencil holder. It's also at the Dollar Tree. And again, I'm securing with thumbtacks. If you want to secure it with E6000 glue, you can do so as well. I also picked up these glass bulbs. I really loved them, and just painted them a chalky white, and I'm just dressing it to give it that weathered vintage look. That's what I love. So I went ahead and did that as well. For the little base that you're going to see right after this, there's tutorials all over YouTube for it. I just prefer to sand it and make it look weathered. I love that look. And so you pick up a Dollar Tree candle plate. It's a little candle plate, it's glass, and you pick up the candle holder that is glass as well. And what I did was I painted it and added the E6000 glue, and it turned into a small base, and it's going to work for the look that I'm trying to convey here. So that's how you do that. here's one of the looks that I created. It's more of a shabby chic finish, very simple. You can put this up in your kitchen, you can have it in your bedroom or your office. It's super simple. And the next one is what I did for my daughter, what was going to work for her. So if you go to the Dollar Tree and you go into their school supplies or their office section, they have these awesome magnets. I did pick up a couple of those. I also picked up those magnet tins that I was telling you about. If you wanted to make this more of a makeup friendly command center, you could totally do so. All you would have to do was add some magnet backings to your makeup brushes. You could also use this for an art room. You could put maybe your paintbrushes or have your washi tape or your glue or your glitter. It would work for that just the same. Keep your mind open into creating it for you and the purpose of where you want it, where you want to have it. If it's going to be in your office, or if it's going to be in the kitchen, or if it's going to be in your bedroom, keep it you friendly. And this is what I did for my daughter. So everybody loves the battery lights, and I found these at Target at the dollar spot. They were $3, and I added this to her command center because what college student wouldn't think that's cute? I also added some twine lights just to a basic, maybe kitchen friendly command center. Again, this is another look that I created, so I wanted to show you again that you can create different looks with this piece. And so I wrapped the twine lights right at the center. The battery pack sits nicely on the pencil holder, and I added a different memo pad, and those memo pads can be found at the Dollar Tree. That morning pumpkin sign I found at Target, the dollar spot. And I want to show you that that pin, basically the cap is glued to the clothespin, so it comes off nicely and goes back in nicely. So that works for your kitchen. And those clothespins can be found at the Hobby Lobby. They come in a pack of 6 for $4.99. Don't forget to use your 40% off. And again, this is a different look, and it's just switching stuff up. That pumpkin sign is from the 99-cent store, believe it or not, and it was so pretty. I have one for a giveaway, so stay tuned for those giveaways that I have. Remember the basket that we painted white and made Farmhouse? I went and picked up a couple, painted them gold. If you haven't seen that video, I'll go ahead and link it as well. The Adventure Awaits mason jar is also from the Dollar Tree. All I did was paint the cap white, added some twine, and distress the cap. Those are actually from the Dollar Tree as well. They just work as decorative accents to your pieces. So again, I have 2 giveaways that are coming up, and they're awesome giveaways. Please stay tuned for those videos. And one of those videos, those accent pieces come as well. So thank you again for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial, please hit that like button, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you want to follow me, please follow me on Instagram. You're more than welcome to. And again, I just thank you guys for watching my video. And that pumpkin stem that we just passed, all I did was add gold nail polish and added some glue, some more glitter, and it just looks so great. Again, thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you like this tutorial. Have a great week, and thanks for watching again. Bye.